This is how to make buffalo chicken dip. Add 1 block of cream cheese. Optional. Put in microwave for 45 seconds to soften. Then add 1/4 of ranch. Add 1/4 cup of blue cheese. Then add a little more than half of 1/4 of hot sauce. Then crack open chunked chicken breast, drain the liquid, and then pick any mushy parts out. Then you can either shred the chicken with your hands, or use a chicken shredder. Shred the chicken and dump it in.
Stop. Stop.
Repeat with the next can.
Stop. Stop.
Now add around a cup of sharp cheddar.
Keep going.
Around this much.
Stop.
Mix.
Stop.
Now grease the dish you will serve in and add the dip. Cook for 30 minutes and preheat the oven to 300.